All right, here we are, Shikara Bazaar. I found a cute thing here. Ladies and gentlemen, this could be a big tip. Everest, we don't have a lightning lane, but look, single rider. Let's give it a go. Oh, by the way, there's my family is also in line, and they went in the standby line. Who's gonna be faster? Uh-oh. No worries. Let's see who gets on first. Well, it looks like we made it. Single rider, but I think my family already got on and came off. So it was faster than it was the other way. But this we can go on. Starting any moment. There we go. Hello. There we go. You're gonna be YouTube famous. I hope we don't find a Yeti. They're not very friendly. Up and away. It's pretty scenery. Looks nice. This is nice and tame.
Oh, now yeah.
There we go. We're climbing. We're climbing. Oh, it's getting cold. It's all snowy up there. It's freezing out here. Uh-oh. That's not good. Look, a bird. Oh, it's gone. What? Why? What's going on? Are we stuck? Oh no! Oh! Backwards! Oh no! Oh! Okay. Oh, what's he doing? He shouldn't be doing that. Don't do that. We need that truck. No! No, it's broken, guys! It's broken! No! That was fun.
Yeah.
We were up there. Way up there. Huh?
The channel?
360 Jimi. Hi guys.
Bye.
That's it. We made it. We survived.